So to do the single crochet foundation stitch, you want to start off by chaining 2. Then you want to go back into that very first chain, pick up a loop, 2 loops on your hook. You're going to chain 1, or I should say you're going to pull that loop through that first chain, which is essentially creating your chain. And then now you have the 2 loops you need for your single crochet. So then you just finish your single crochet. Now if you look on the side, you have 2, let me get a little closer here. You've got 2 little spaces here on the side that you just created. This first one here, it's kind of longer, that is your chain. And then you've got this little stitch here on the side. This is your single crochet. You always want to go into the chain, just like you would if you made a row of chains and then single crocheted, you're going to work into the chain. So you want to go ahead and insert your hook into that one and then pull up a loop, yarn over, only pull through 1 of those loops, leaving 2. See, you just created the chain again, and this is also the stitch we're going to go back into in a second. Then you yarn over and finish your single crochet. Then again you're going to go back into that chain stitch, pull through, only pull through 1, and then you'll finish your single crochet. Then you'll go back into that chain space, pull a loop through, pull through only 1, and pull through 2. And as you can see, you're doing your chain and your single crochet at the same time. And that's how you do your single crochet foundation stitch. Only pull through 1, only pull through the chain, then you pull through 2. And if it helps, you can always, when you make your first chain, by doing that, you can even hold it with your finger if it helps. Then when you finish your single crochet, you know that that's the stitch you need to go right back into. So that's how you do the single crochet foundation stitch.